Yeah, I saw that. Whoa. All right. Clean the windows.
He ain't jump on that yet.
Oh, he doesn't have that. Yeah, no. You gotta see? You want me to start? Yeah. That's right. You gonna see it then?
Oh, you gotta push it up on. You push it up on. Push it straight up. There you go. Snap. Push it. Alright, round them up straight. Wait a minute, let me see something. Hold on, look at me. Alright, take my phone.
How do you turn it on?
Let's find out what the rules though first because they have MLM.
Right.
And they have more power than us, and they can find out because some of the pop on the web is be careful. You don't sometimes they try to load the stuff, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But,
So, I know y'all was loving the music, but here I am. So, mommy duties, whatever baby girl wants, she gets. But I was pouring and filling up this tub. And did you see when I had to pump? Yes, hand pump that dang pool. Listen, I can't. And first of all, they don't even make what you call it. They don't even make something to suck the air out. So how y'all think I'm getting this air out this pool? Like, come on now. I could throw that whole thing in the garbage after she's finished with it. I cannot. We usually go to the pool, but today I was doing it, and I'm just like, let me, make her happy, because I don't feel like driving all the time, and I'm not in the right state to be driving anyway so much. I'll soon be relaxing and being driven around. It's so good to have friends and associates with cars and trucks. Okay, y'all need to get y'all some friends that have the same thing you have. Don't be with these friends that have less than you, and you gotta always be the person that's helping them out when they broke. Anyway, yeah, back to the video. Y'all protect your energy, like I always tell you. So how cute does she look? Okay, look at my girl. Just living her life. She don't even know. Ow. Look at her. Having a good time. And her hair is cute. Yeah, cute. She testing the water. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. So we're going to do some bubbles. Yeah. Let's do some bubbles, y'all. Oh, Lord. This thing was just not working. I had that bubble machine and the battery. We couldn't find a battery. It was just too much going on. And it was like 1,000 degrees. I don't know what's up with this weather. When they be controlling the weather, I don't know what they trying to do. But it's not cool. But anyway, I found another one of her little toys that I bought. Look at this. And she was having the time of her life. Yes, baby girl. But this is Cracker Barrel. We went to Cracker Barrel. And this was my first time going to this restaurant. I ain't never go. But, I mean, it was cute and whatnot. I liked it. The outside was cute. The ambiance, entry vibes. It gives you, like, Amish vibes. Like, it's a little shop. I don't know if these things were made. I don't know. But this was a cute one. Oh, I love it. So cute. Look at this watermelon stuff. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, my God. I bought everything. I just cannot. This is so freaking cute. Oh my God. This watermelon dress, the watermelon hat, the watermelon shoes, the watermelon bib. Listen, I want the bottle. I want everything. Everything with watermelons, I'm going to have it for my daughter. Yes. I'm going to have it. But, oh my goodness. So I was going to name my next. I'm going to say next because I can't say second. My next daughter, right? I was going to name her this name. And what are y'all thoughts on it? So it's a female that I used to work with, and her daughter has the same name that was in my baby book, right? But I don't want to name it. I don't want to name my kid that because I don't want her to think I was trying to bite off her kid, right? And then another girl that I went to school with, I just recently looked on Facebook, and her daughter's name is the same name. So what y'all think? Should I, or y'all think I should just leave it alone and go look for another name? Because I had these names. People that know me for years. Y'all know I was trying when I was having all the miscarriages, when I was married and whatever have you. I had a baby book, and I had this book for decades. Like, I'm trying to tell you, since I was like 16, I had a baby book. So I had these names written out way before I met these people. And I named my daughter Supernova because that means the creation of a star. In case y'all didn't know, I just cut the super off and I say Nova, but her name is really Supernova because obviously I'm a Starseed and I got the names from the stars because I speak to my angels. Hello. Yeah, we are like 2 steps closer to God, Starseeds. But anywho, that's enough of that. Let me tell y'all, she had the time of her life with these toys. Like, what's this? What is this? It was doing, like, look at it. Oh my God, I cannot. That's cost $5. But I don't know what this is. Like I told you, the food is alright. It's like, See, I'm West Indian. I don't really with all this American stuff. This food is to me, I want some Thai food. I want some Japanese food. I'm going to need some clear rice noodles. I'm going to need some kind of, you know what I'm saying? Japanese rice. Or give me some African jollof rice. Give me some of that. But I'm always playing it safe. Because let me tell you something. Me and pancakes, we got something going on. And this little cute bottle of maple syrup is the darnest cutest thing. Stop it. Okay? Biscuits and mashed potatoes or biscuits and gravy. I don't know. That's some real Yankee stuff. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching, liking, subscribing. Hey, new subbies. I love y'all. Welcome to the gang, the Starseed family. Y'all remember to protect your energy. Stay safe. Be safe. See y'all in my next video.